Hello everyone, my name is Karan Patel. In this video I will show you how you can access a free Udemy courses and how can you get the certificate from that courses. This certificate is very important for all field of students and candidates who looking for a jobs. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get on a screen. So first of all, go on a Google. Let me close this and write Udemy online courses presenter and just go on this side because this too has an advertise symbol. So go on this udemy.com. Okay, so this is the official page for Udemy and learn on all the courses has a 420 rupees paid version, and if you pay this amount then you get the certificates, then you get the certificates. So to get a free certificates and access the free course, just sign up. Just write a name, make sure you write your correct name, your email address and password. Okay, and sign up. Take this and sign up. I have already account, then that's why I log in. Okay, so this is account and this is all notifications. Here you get my all details. Let me back this on screen. Okay, so this is my home page. Then scroll down to access the all pages. So this is recommendation process because because I enroll in a Raspberry Pi Box of 2018. This is course recommendation. You can see all courses are paid and this one is free. Okay, so this is only one course that is free, but we require all free courses and certificates. Okay, so to do so, just write here the course introductions, like on a what kind of course you are looking for. Okay, so click on a search. So write a name of your code. If I want to do medical image processing, then write medical image processing, and here I go. It will take some time, but you see the result and you find that all courses are paid. Okay, so to get the free courses, like tick all label, we apply filters, tick all labels, language English. Okay, go on a price section and select free. Okay, so if you select free, you still have an option of 458 courses. Okay, so how you can choose the best option among them? So just by using these two filters, like stars of given by the previous students and how many students take this course. Okay, so the first course is a practical swarm optimization in MATLAB. So it's 4.5 stars among the 5 stars. It's very good, and 1400 students got the certificate from this course. So this is very good. If you're looking for the medical image processing, this course is very good. Okay, I recommended this course. Just scroll down. Okay, medical anatomy 4.2, 127 students. So this is how you get the courses. So this is again a paid section advertisement, but you don't have to pay 420. So and actually, why should we pay? Because let me show you my certificates. If you pay 420, then here you get the same certificate, and if you don't pay, then still you get the same certificates. It's recognized by Udemy. It's same as a certificate by this. Let me zoom it more. Okay, so now is you get the certificate number and certificate URL. Okay, so In the free courses, there's all certificate and validations are available. So why we take this paid courses? Okay, still have a question. Okay, if you don't, you can find easily for all kind of courses. Like just Python is now a trending, so just write Python machine learning Python. Go on that. Apply same filters. All label is all, and the price is free. And you have a here a more options 3240. This one is very good. Okay, so the first one is the deep learning prerequisites 4.6 320, but you can scroll down and you find the better one. Okay, so 4.4 stars, it's 12,780. The Python core and advanced, this is very good course. Okay, so master of fundamentals Python and easy steps, this one is also good. And if you have any doubts, and please click on that course and you get the all details about the course, like Python core and advanced therapy, 8 hour and 35 minutes course total. Okay, enroll now, share this, uh, what you will learn, course content, review, instructors, who are the instructors to this course, like free course, online video content, certificates of completion. This course is not giving a certificate of completions, please note that, and please check this before you are enrolling to this course. Okay, so please check this line, the certificate of completions. This all free courses is not giving you the certificate of completions, but I show my certificate I get from free courses, so you have to check this whether the course is giving you certificate or not. Okay, but it's easy task. I mean, just click on that and you will definitely find the free course which give you the certificate. Okay, so let me show you one demo. Like you get my this subscription course. Like let's start learning Karan, and this is my course. Subscribe, just click on that and you get the notifications. Get Udemy certificate by completing entire course. I did this course in a free, and if you want, then I put this link in the description. I put the link of this course in the description. You get the certificate and learn Raspberry Pi and Python. Okay, so this is all about how you can get. If you have any doubt, please mention it in the comment section. Thank you. I got one Udemy certificate from this free course, and one if whenever I complete this course. But I didn't personally recommended Udemy classes over the Coursera, because Coursera has a very good amount of content and professor and universities content. So please go on a Coursera and get the certificates and learn some kind of stuff. So that's it for the video, guys. If you find a good content in this video, please share this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.